from Japan. Do you know Anko? Anko is red bean paste which is the essential for Japanese sweets, such as dango or mochi sweets. Okay, let's enjoy cooking!
This is red beans Adzuki. First, wash the Adzuki beans using a colander. The beans are dirty, so wash them well. Add the washed beans to the pot. Put 3 times as much water as the Adzuki beans in the pot. Bring to medium heat. Bring the water to a boil. When the water boils, continue to simmer for 15 minutes. When the water turns wine red, turn off the heat. Using a colander, discard the water and wash the beans lightly. This process is called Shibu Kiri. You can remove the astringent taste with Shibu Kiri. Also, wash the pot. Return the beans to the pot. Add 3 times as much water as the Adzuki beans to the pot. Bring the water to a boil over the low heat. During cooking, lye will come out, so remove it. Continue to simmer for 30 minutes or longer. Remove the lye as often as possible, as the lye will continue to come out. If the amount of water decreases, add water and continue to boil in the plenty of water for 30 minutes. If lye appears, remove it. After 30 minutes, add 270 grams of sugar. Continue to simmer until the water is gone. Gradually, the moisture will evaporate. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and mix them. When the water content is low, it burns easily, so be careful of the heat and keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. When the water is gone and the whole solidifies, turn off the heat. Anko is completed. Put it in a container and save it. It can be stored refrigerated for 2 to 3 days. Anko can also frozen. If frozen, it can be stored for about a month. We can enjoy Japanese sweets such as daifuku, mochi, and dango with Anko.
Thank you for your viewing. How was Japanese Anko? Don't you think it looks so yummy? Please make Anko and enjoy Japanese sweets. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and the like button. I'm looking for your comments. See you next week. Bye!